In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Storj future while talking about Storj cost conjecture for 2022 and then some. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you ought to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything certainly is an unpleasant undertaking, for the most part, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Storj. Presently, we should head into it, or so they especially thought. Before we dig profound into the Storj value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Storj is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Storj succeed or for the most part fall flat, or for what reason will Storj value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Storj and its to-date history. Storj value expectation for the following 90 days. The essentially entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Incredibly, Bitcoin fundamentally has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of a more extensive market, for the most part drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate expansions amazingly. Financial backers for the most part are selling dangerous resources and moving into significantly more steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees a green in 2022, particularly in the sort of second piece of the extended period of some sort. This is by and large reflected in our 2022 forecasts in a sort of enormous manner. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a neighborhood base before we can move in every practical sense, inverse heading and fundamentally alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will in a real sense begin to do likewise. We in a real sense have seen this situation many times in the separated and sort of later history, which especially is very huge. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We in a real sense expect whales and genuinely other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative kind of potential, and some sort of other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022, which especially is very huge. Plus 3.85%, $0.4905, which is genuinely critical. October 2, 2022. Plus 0.99%, $0.4770, in spite of mainstream thinking. October 3, 2022. Minus 0.66%, $0.4692, which sort of is very critical. October 4, 2022 in a significant manner. Plus 4.79%, $0.4949. October 5, 2022. Plus 3.15%, $0.4872. October 6, 2022. Minus 4.72%, $0.4500. October 7, 2022. Minus 2.83%, $0.4589 in an unobtrusive manner. October 8, 2022. Minus 6.27%, $0.4427, which basically is genuinely huge. Storj value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this basically bear market will endure essentially for the primary quarter of 2022. Preceding we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Incredibly, expectation model brings market feeling into a record and responds likewise in an unpretentious manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022 October in a by and large significant manner. Minus 14.22%, $0.4051. 2022 November, which is genuinely critical. Minus 29.90%, $0. 3311, 2022 December minus 21.64%, $0. 3701, 2023 January minus 9.90% $0. 4255, 2023 February minus 6.69% $0. 4407, 2023 Blemish, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Minus 0.24% $0. 4712, 2023 April plus 8.12% $0. 5107, 2023 May, or so they thought. Plus 27.10% $0. 6003, 2023 June plus 30.74% $0. 6175, 2023 July plus 45.73% $0. 6883, 2023 August, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Plus 49.83% $0. 7076, 2023 September plus 57.50% $0.7439. Storj Value Expectation 2025, by and large in spite of prevalent thinking. Our expectation model sees Storj coming to $1.13 in 2025. What will Storj be worth in 5 years in a kind of large manner? The cost of Storj in 5 years could lie around $1.14 amazingly. Storj Value Expectation 2030 to 2040. What Storj will be essentially worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Storj coming to $2.83 in 2030, which is genuinely huge. What Storj will especially be worth in 2040, which is very critical. Our determining model sees Storj coming to $5.67 in 2040. Will Storj supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Storj won't supplant or surpass BTC, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Could Storj at any point reach $10? Indeed, Storj could basically reach $10 toward 2025 incredibly's end. Could Storj in every way that really matters, at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Storj to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period. Is Storj worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably dangerous money management. Put the greater part of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins and the rest in little tasks with immense potential gain. Thus, in this unique circumstance, Storj is in every way that really matters, worth purchasing. Is Storj a very wise interest in an unobtrusive manner? Storj is, very much like all sort of other cryptographic forms of money, an unsafe speculation, or so they thought. It has a lot higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of